You're injured in a car accident. You hire a lawyer. You go through medical treatment, and you expect things to settle very quickly. But then your attorney tells you, we have to file a lawsuit. And now you're wondering, why? What happened? Did something go wrong? I'm here to explain why some car accident cases go to litigation and what that actually means for your case. My name is Diego Brito. I'm an attorney with the Kelly Law Team in Phoenix, Arizona. As a personal injury lawyer, one of the most common fears our clients have is litigation. Many people think that if their case goes to court, it must mean that something went wrong somewhere. They think that the case is going to drag out for years, but that's not always the case. There are some specific reasons why we choose to file a lawsuit, and it often has more to do with protecting your rights. Let's talk about what litigation really is, why it sometimes becomes necessary, and how it helps us fight for the compensation you deserve. First, let's clear up what we mean by litigation. It doesn't mean your case is going to trial the next day. Filing a lawsuit simply means that we're taking the case into the court system because negotiations with insurance or the opposing party have stalled or failed. In many cases, the biggest reason we file is because the applicable statute of limitations period is approaching. That's the legal deadline to file a lawsuit. In Arizona, for most car accident cases, that deadline is 2 years from the date of the crash. If we don't file by then, your right to recover compensation could be lost forever, no matter how strong your case is. Sometimes we file just to protect your claims, even though we continue to negotiate behind the scenes. Another major reason cases go to litigation is because the insurance company is not negotiating in good faith. Some adjusters are just difficult. They might refuse to respond, delay on purpose, or continue to offer amounts that don't even come close to covering your medical bills, let alone your lost wages or pain and suffering. Let's be honest, insurance companies don't make money by paying out fair settlements. If they think they can pressure you into accepting a low offer, they will. And when that happens, filing a lawsuit shows them we're serious. It also opens up the legal process where we can put some real pressure on them to do the right thing. In many cases, filing is what finally gets them to put a reasonable number on the table. So if we tell you your case needs to go to litigation, it doesn't mean we're abandoning settlement talks. In fact, most cases settle even after we file a lawsuit. What it does mean is that we're preparing to build your case more aggressively and thoroughly because the insurance company isn't playing fair. It also means that the timeline may change. Litigation takes more time than pre-litigation negotiation, and there may be more involvement on your part, from answering questions under oath to possibly giving a deposition. But don't worry, we'll guide you through every step. You won't go through it alone. With the Kelly Law Team, we don't file lawsuits just to file them. We do it strategically, when it's necessary, when it's right for you, and when we believe it will lead to a better outcome. Litigation can sound intimidating, but sometimes it's exactly what's needed to move your case forward, whether it's because of an uncooperative adjuster, a lowball offer, or a deadline that's approaching. Filing a lawsuit is one of the strongest tools we have to fight for full and fair compensation. If you've been injured in a car accident and you've been told your case needs to go to litigation, don't panic. Call us. We'll explain everything and make sure you're informed and supported every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you or someone you know has been injured in a car crash and needs answers, reach out to Kelly Law Team today for a free consultation. We're here to fight for you.